What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is entitled "Man Goes Crazy During a Routine Traffic Stop." Man, entitled "Man Goes Crazy During a Routine Traffic." Fuck, I can't even fucking talk. God damn it! All right, let's try it again for the third time. You guys know I can't talk right. Entitled "Man Goes Crazy During a Routine Traffic Stop." All right, God damn it. All right, let's go.
Hey, Anthony. Yes, sir. Is there any weed in the car? Your car smells like weed. You just threw paraphernalia out on the ground, bro. Just step out of the car, bro. Anthony, step out of the car. Taser, motherfucker! Let go of the taser!
Let me call my people, man!
On July 14th, 2023, officers in Illinois were conducting a routine traffic stop that escalated when the man became uncooperative and combative.
What's up, man? Hey, man, I'm also with North Chicago Police Department. Reason why what's up?
Huh?
Reason why I'm stopping you today, dude. When you came from Grove, you turned on the 14th Street, you didn't have a signal on until you after started your turn.
Alright, I apologize.
No worries, man. You got your ID and insurance card on you? Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to the idea.
I got you.
Ball game, trying to get my auntie off of my nose.
I got you, dude. No worries.
That's it.
Have I talked to you before? Your name looks familiar.
No, I don't even know, sir.
Alright. 40 a file. Hey, Anthony.
Yes, sir.
Is there any weed in the car?
You said who?
Is there weed in the car?
No.
Is there a reason why the car smells like weed?
No, I just smoked the blunt and just got right in the car.
Blunt?
Not too long.
Is the blunt still in the car?
Duck.
Duck.
That's it.
Alright, dude.
That's it. That's what
Okay.
it sound like that.
Okay.
Bingo.
Anthony. Hear me out, man.
Step out the car, man. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Step out the car, man. You want to throw the little roach out there? It's quiet for that. And then back to the beginning. Listen, I give it to you guys raw and uncut, man. Listen, I ain't editing nothing for real, for real. You hear me? So that's what be going on. But anyway, back to this guy. Step out the car, man. You know what time it is, right?
Not trying to make your night.
No, I'm not trying to make y'all night either, but like I said, I just got done hitting it not too long ago and literally put it in the ashtray. Didn't think nothing of it. She just called me and told me to go get the medicine for her.
Okay. Where are you going to get medicine at?
Walgreens.
Okay. Anything illegal in the car? Did you object to me taking a look today? Well, you're just admitted to smoking weed inside your car. You just threw the duck out, man.
I just said I smoked it by getting in my car and literally, you feel what I'm saying?
Okay, but you still had...
No, that's not giving me an acceptance.
It is, man. Unfortunately, yeah, it is.
Thing, like I just said though, sir, I literally put the damn thing in my ashtray.
Yes.
That's it, that's all.
Yes. You can't have smoked weed things in your ashtray. I'm not trying to give you a hard time. Weed is decriminalized, not legal, man.
Weed is illegal. I mean, not for me to be smoking in my car, though, but you get what I'm saying? No, you just admitted, right? But sir, no. My thing, though, is what I said it, though, right? I said I literally just got done hitting it and put it in my ashtray. I wasn't riding around.
Hey, Anthony,
listen,
do me a favor, man.
I'm trying to go through
I got. It's my traffic stop, all right?
Okay, but you...
I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Sir, why am I stepping out of my car?
Because I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
Sir, I'm stepping out the car for what reason, though?
Anthony.
I have nothing in this car that's like nothing.
Okay,
sir.
Then you should have no problem complying with my lawful order.
Look, but this is my thing, though. Why am I going through a situation with you and you already know for a fact I just
Your car
smells. Go get this medicine.
Your car smells like weed. You just threw paraphernalia out on the ground, bro. Just step out of the car, bro. 19 from 40. You want to start this way?
Man, y'all tripping, man. I can't even go no where, bro. This shit is crazy.
Come on, Anthony. Step out of the car, man.
Let me call my people, man.
Hey,
I
dude.
feel like y'all finna be on some whole bullshit.
I need you to step out of the car.
I'm going to
You
step
can
out the
call
car,
them
sir.
from out here.
Damn, you ain't got to talk to me like that, man, huh?
Step out of the car, bro.
Huh?
Step out of the car, bro.
I got the square in my hand. Hold on.
No. Anthony, step out of the car.
Alright, so can you step back?
Yeah.
Can you step back?
I'm gonna stand right here, man. Step out of the car.
Step back.
No, I'm not gonna step back. Step out of the car. I don't.
Like I got a gun or something, bro.
Dude, I'm telling you to step out of the car. Step out of the car, sir. Lawful order to step out of the car, man. Jeez.
Bill.
Anthony, step out of the car. Yes, you can call him from outside the car, bro. Step out of the car, bro. Step out of the car before I have to take you out. I don't want to take you out.
Sir, what you gonna take me out for?
Because I'm giving you a lawful order to exit the vehicle. If you refuse to exit the vehicle, you are obstructing.
Alright, man. Shit, make it so hard.
On top of the car, bro.
Bro,
I'm gonna pat you down, bro.
Man,
Pat your hands on top of the car. Pat your hands on top of the car.
Put your hands behind your back, you now.
Tase this motherfucker! Tase this motherfucker!
Tase me, man. Tase him. Alright, man.
Put him behind your back now.
Put your hands behind your back!
I can't.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Bill.
Give me your hands!
Bro,
Give me
why
your
you handing me like that for?
Give me your hands!
hand
Give me your hands!
Tase him.
Give him your hands or you're gonna get bit.
Alright,
Give him your hands, you're gonna get bit.
Alright, sir.
Keep it up now.
I didn't have nothing, sir. What you mean, give it up?
Or you gonna get bit? Oh boy, yo, nah. Nobody don't want to hear them dog barking sounds, bro. Shit, I'd rather get tased. Yeah, I'd rather get tased. Like that's boy. You don't want to get bit, but yeah, you might as well just. It's over. It's over. What? You say you gonna bite me? Oh no, boy. You got the dog here? Oh boy. Nah, boy. They got Clifford with him. Oh, that's crazy. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Here y'all go. I'm cooling down. That taser and that spray is like, but when you start hearing that dog bark, when they get Clifford out that car, man, it's like, yo, if you don't know, man, back in the day, they had Clifford the big red dog, man. He friendly, but hey, he could get on that. He could get on timing if it gotta be, you know what I mean? So if they get Clifford about that car, man, yeah, boy, it's over.
You got shit on me, man. What the fuck?
He ready to work, too.
Stop raising your hands!
Got that work, boy. Oh, you gonna get that work, boy.
Stop resisting.
Oh!
Let go of the taser!
Oh, you gonna get that work, boy.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Stop resisting!
You ready? Hey, y'all get up off of me?
No.
Hey, y'all get up off of me.
Dude, you're gonna get bit. Stop resisting now. Stop resisting.
I just take me with that taser, bro.
Stop
That shit
resisting.
bogus as hell. Let me up.
No.
Help! Help!
Watch your back.
Help!
Y'all just tased me with that taser, bro. Y'all bogus as hell. No, what's bogus is you getting out of the car and trying to fight with the cops. That's what's bogus.
Help! Help!
Put your hand behind your back!
Put your hand behind your back! Help!
Put your hand...
Help! Hey, that's the fuck, dog. I'm gonna tase me. Help! 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 Excuse me, help me out! Help! Help!
Yeah.
Help! Help!
Somebody just call from
Y'all let folks as hell, bro.
You're under arrest.
Man, y'all let folks as hell. Help!
Are they both on?
Yeah.
Y'all let folks as hell, bro.
Let's get them up.
Ain't nowhere in hell, bro. my phone, man. Let me get my phone, man.
No.
Y'all bogus as hell.
Dude.
Kill me now.
Go.
Help! Help!
Hey, open the door. Door's open.
Help!
Open it up.
Help!
No, we gotta search it first.
Help!
Sorry.
Help!
Just throw it down. Throw that shit down.
Help!
Turn him around. Turn him around this way.
Flashlight.
Help!
Take the shove his pants.
Help! Excuse me!
Stop screaming.
Get in the fucking car!
You're hurting yourself.
Y'all hurt me,
You're
man.
hurting yourself.
Get in the car.
What you doing?
You're hurting yourself.
What happened?
Idiot. That's what happened. Hey, did we search him good?
Whoa, it's main pockets.
Hey, relax.
No, y'all broke as fuck, bro.
Dude.
Y'all ain't just do me like that, bro.
All you had to do was listen, man.
Man, that shit broke as hell. Let me call my people, man.
All right, we'll give you the phone. Hold on. In a minute.
Right now.
That way.
Fuck up on me, man, because you broke as hell.
Hey.
Move. Stop fucking arm wrestling me, bro.
I'm searching you.
Help!
Stop yelling. Stop yelling, dude. Help you what?
Help me, what?
No.
Y'all hurt the fuck out of me.
Yourself.
Damn, he can't even get a taser in the whole
You was right here the whole time.
You hurt yourself.
Get out of here, man. You was right here the whole time.
Hey, get your
Help!
foot back in there.
Bro, I'm not going
Bro,
nowhere.
Anthony, listen,
Bro,
man.
I'm not going nowhere, bro.
Okay, all right, chill out, bro. What you doing?
This motherfucker hurting me up over here.
Okay.
Can you let my arm go? Can you let my arm go?
Not yet.
The fuck?
You sure you ain't got nothing on you, man?
I don't have nothing on me, son.
Okay, well, that's all you had to do, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.